This is Mark with MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com, bringing you some breaking news information about Tropical Depression number 13 and also, of course, Tropical Storm Katia. We are currently watching also an event out here, which I'll continue to keep you posted on. But the major threat right now, and actually MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com, has been changed to red alert, of course, and the reason is because of Tropical Depression 13, which could be Tropical Storm Lee. Now, even if it does not become Tropical Storm Lee, if it does, here's the major threat for this storm, and that is rain and flooding. We're talking about possible rainfall up to 1.5 feet or above here in New Orleans and Louisiana. So, of course, we'll keep you posted on the breaking news information as it comes in. First things first, I'd like to go ahead and bring in the information from MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com. Take a look at the information for Tropical Depression 13. This is advisory number 3A as of 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Max winds are 30 knots or 35 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure 1,005 millibars. Movement north at 1 knots or 1 miles per hour. Now that's going to become a big problem. This storm, moving very slow, will have a chance of developing very big over the Gulf of Mexico due to the warm water in the area. So again, folks in Louisiana, need to stay tuned to MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com for the latest updates. We also have Tropical Storm Katia, which I'll bring into the Google Earth maps first before we look at the info. So again, stay tuned with us, guys, because that storm out there, the Tropical Depression, has most models that are agreeing to the New Orleans landfall. So again, we'll continue to keep you posted. As we look at Tropical Storm Katia, we have a big problem with that as well, as most models are taking it out to the west-northwest and continuing to move on a path which could affect the United States. Most paths are agreeing with this, and of course we'll continue to keep you posted on what is happening with Tropical Storm Katia. As I bring in the info to check on that and track it with us here, Tropical Storm Katia advisory number 17 as of 5 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Today is again September 2nd, 2011. And max winds are at 60 knots or 70 miles per hour. For those of you who know, it dropped down to a tropical storm, but is actually going to increase in size and possibly become a major hurricane. Minimum central pressure right now is at 994 millibars, location 17.0 degrees north and 58.1 degrees west. Now, the movement of the storm is west currently at 13 knots or 15 miles per hour, and this is a reason why we're thinking it's going to pose a threat to the U.S. as well. So again, we're taking a look at MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com, which is currently on red alert. We are taking a look at the radar here, which is showing Tropical Storm Katia, which is a very well-defined tropical storm right now, which could be a hurricane in the next day or two, and we'll continue to keep you posted, maybe in a hurricane tonight or tomorrow. So as we go and take a look, again, of course, I'm going to bring in the radar for Tropical Depression 13. As you go up a little further up here, you'll see the radar for Tropical Depression 13, which is showing a very well-defined tropical depression right now, which actually looks like it will be turning into tropical storm today before the end of the day. So once again, guys, Tropical Depression 13, we are currently on red alert for MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com, keeping you updated exactly on what is happening throughout the day and on the weekend. So stay tuned. I'll continue to keep you posted, and have a great day.